Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Clinton Tam. Today I'm here again with another video where I'm going to be talking about the use of TradingView. Understand, TradingView is very important for every trader. For you to be able to analyze the market properly, to get a better view, you need the TradingView. And for you to make use of the TradingView, you need to be conversant with the tools here in the TradingView. So today I'm going to be talking about some of the important tools that you can make use of to enhance your trading. So just stay tuned as we dive right into the chart. So here is my TradingView chart. As you can see, I'm still on my previous account. For the sake of this video, I'm going to sign in a new account so that everything will be fresh, you understand. So first thing, for you to sign in to your TradingView, you look at the left corner, this three bar at the left corner, you click on that. Then you see where they say sign in. So you click on sign in, then it will give you different options whereby you can sign in with your Gmail, then your Facebook, Twitter account, and the rest. So I'm going to be picking Gmail. I'm going to be signing up with a Gmail account. So I'm going to be using another. So yeah, I will type in my Gmail. clintontam@gmail.com. So clintontam@gmail.com. Then I will click next. I'm going to put my password right now. Then next. So we are in. At this point, as you can see, we are still seeing the previous account. So I'm going to be refreshing my system. Go to home page. I'm going to be refreshing the system so that you see everything will be new. Click on products. To go to your chart, you need to click on. Now this is the first thing. First, let me talk about this point. This is whereby we have the product, we have community, we have markets, we have news, we have brokers, we have more knowledge base wise. This product now, this is the place whereby you go to your charts. We have super charts, we have screeners, calendars, options. All those things are not necessary. The only thing you are looking for there is the super charts. That is the most important thing there. Then TradingView communities. There are some communities that maybe when you have a pro trading account, you can build up a community whereby you can be showing your trading insight and analysis. So that is for that. So we are going straight to the trading super chart. Then now you see everything is new here now. Everything is new here now. So this is a new trading account. Let me make it big. This is a new trading account. Then you see the green candles and the red candles. The green candles are the bullish candles. The red candles are the bearish candle. So now, yeah, if you look at the TradingView chart very well, you see these volume indicators. So we are going to get rid of all those indicators. It's not necessary. So how do you get rid of it? You look at the toolbar, go to the left side. You see where delete icon. You click on that delete icon. Then you go to where they say remove drawings and indicators, and we have remove one indicator because there's one indicator already on the chart. Then remove 0 drawings. There's no drawing yet on the chart, so we leave that part. So click on the remove indicator. Then that indicator will get rid of that indicator. Now, first thing first, first thing you are looking for as a trader, like the first tool you are making use of as a trader now is normally the trend line, right? But at the toolbar here, we are starting with the cursor. You understand the different kind of cursor you use for your TradingView. And maybe you can use the cross, you can use the dots. Then the dots, are you seeing it now? You have the dot now. Then you can simply go to the arrow. So look at the arrow. Look at my cursor, is now arrow. Then I can simply make use of the eraser, then the magic. All those things are not. You can choose anyone you like. I prefer the cross mostly because of the time. You understand? It gives me the time and the vertical line. I like the vertical line so well. So I use the cross. Then the second one on the toolbar, we have the trend line. You left click on it on your laptop or maybe your mouse. Then you see the trend line, you see the ray, you see the interline, the horizontal line, the horizontal ray, and the rest. The trend line, I use the trend line mostly. The trend line, I will make it my favorite. You click on that star button, then you make use of the vertical line, you make it favorite, you make use of the horizontal ray. I'm looking for the horizontal ray now. Make use of the horizontal ray. These are the ones that they commonly use. Then the horizontal line. Those are the 4 lines they commonly use, and I've made them my favorite. Then I will still go again to the next one, the toolbar, where we have Fibonacci retracement. We have Fibonacci retracement, we have trend base and fib extension. All those are fib extensions. You know, fib extension are to get the actual discount and discount price of anything. Then we have fib spiral, and the ones they normally make use of mostly on TradingView. The most important one is this fib retracement. You understand? This fib retracement is very important. You click on that one as favorite. Then the next one we have is patterns. If you are the kind of trader that you are trading different kind of trading patterns, where we have the Elliott impulse waves, then the Elliott correction and ABC patterns, you can make use of them. Once you click on it, you can make use of it like that. But I'm not making use of Elliott, so I don't need that on my TradingView. That is pattern for you, chart pattern. Then another thing you really need again on the trading toolbox, then we have the long position and the short position. The long position is when you want to buy in the market or in the TradingView chart. You understand? Maybe for instance you are seeing a buy signal, so you want to take a buy trade. You just simply click on the long position and drop it at the point whereby you want to take the buy trade. Then the short position is inverse of it, right? So some of the brokers they are using now, we have them on our TradingView this thing. So once you click on this long position and the short position, the trade will be taken automatically. So that is how it is. So I've made them my favorite. As you can see here at the right hand side, you see all the ones that I've made favorite. You see them those are the things I use basically. Then we come to our other tool now. Now this brush tool. Now we have the brush, we have the highlighter, we have the arrow marker, arrow. All those things are not necessary, they are not important. The most important thing here is the rectangle tool. Yes, rectangle, path, cycle, ellipse, and the rest. I don't make use of all those ones. I make use of the path sometimes when I want to do some tutorials talking about when I'm talking about trends, right? Downtrend, uptrend. But I'll make use of the rectangle, then the path also. Then maybe sometimes the arrow. If you are teaching, you understand, but you don't need them on your normal trading. You only need the rectangle go to here. You understand? Is the rectangle to you need here. That is what you need. So after the rectangle tool, we have the text tool. We have the text tool now. So text, anytime you want to write text, you just bring it there. You write anything you want. You see how to use TradingView. That is the text. So we are going to make it our favorite to make the text favorite. You don't need notes, you don't need anchor text, you don't need callout, unless, I don't know, maybe you need callout for your personal reasons. You know what callout is already. Maybe you want to give small explanations to your trade, how you enter the trade. You can do the callout and the rest, comments and the rest, price labels, flag mark. I don't use those things personally. Then we have the sticker. We have the sticker icons. I don't make use of stickers too. What is the essence of making use of stickers? The whole thing is to trade, right? Then this measurement tool, I love it. I love measurement tool a lot. Whenever I want to measure my pips, I make use of the measurement tool. That is measurement tool for you. Then moving on to the next one, we have the zoom. The zoom in. Once you tap it 2 times, you zoom. Click on the zoom. Then you click on it. I don't know why it's not working, but even as I'm doing zoom manually, You can just use your two fingers on the mouse, then you zoom like this. Use your two finger on the mouse, then you can be able to zoom, like try to do as if you're expanding it. Then you will zoom the chart, that is zoom tool. Then we have the magnet tool. Once you apply the magnet tool, maybe you want to set line, like let me show you an example. I've already made my magnet tool now. Let me use horizontal line. Then maybe I want to drop this thing at this high. The magnet tool will make it be at the right spot, you understand, where it's supposed to be. That is the magnet tool. That is the use of the magnet tool. Then we have the stay in drawing mode, we have the lock all drawing mode, we have the hide drawings, we have the delete icon and the rest. So that is how it is. Then now, if you look at this place where you see this search bar, you see the symbol search. This is where you search different symbols, maybe Euro USD, depending on what you are trading. Euro USD, maybe you want to look for GBP USD. You search there, you go to Ender, that is a broker I normally use to view my chart. Then here we have this deal that you're seeing there. We have the time frame, that is called the time frame. One day, this is a daily time frame. Then maybe you can select any time frame you like. If you want to make it favorite, you just click on the favorite icon there, then you will make it your favorite. 45 minutes, 1 hour, day. It all depends on what you want and your strategy, right? So that is for that. So that is the time frame. Then here we have candles. What kind of trader are you? Are you using the candlestick? Are you using line? Are you using the halo candles? Are you using the volume candles? That is depends on you. This is the line now. Everything will turn to line charts, right? Then we have area charts. We have baseline charts. Depending on the kind of trader you are. Normally I use the candlesticks. I don't use the bar. We have the bars. Look at this. See how it looks like. Look at the bar charts. Then I use the candlestick, right? So I come back to my candlestick. Now the indicators. If you want to add any indicators to your chart, you come to the indicator icon. You click on it. Open indicator. I don't know why it's not working. I don't know, maybe it's network. So but once you click on that indicator bar, then you will see different kind of indicators, maybe the moving average, the stochastic, the Bollinger Band and the rest, the New York Asian session and the rest. You can make use of the indicator which you like. Then we have the alert area. You can see the shortcut is alternate A. You click on it to add alerts. I don't know if my network is bad. Alt A. Seems it's not working. Then this is the replay bar. This is the replay bar. Okay, I think it's coming up now. The network is very slow. This is the indicator metrics and strategies. So let me remove this here. Alright, I think, look at it, 24-hour indicator, accumulation and distribution, Aaron, auto fib extension. Let me use moving average, you understand? You just search it on the search toolbar. Moving average, exponential, you click on it. So automatically you have added it. You have added the moving average exponential 9. I think I've added like 2 of them. So simply delete it from here. Okay, look at the moving average. If you don't want to view your moving average, just click on it. Then this thing you are seeing, they just hide it. Then it will be out of your chart. Then alerts, like I said before, anywhere you want to put alert, you add alert as value 126995. 126995. Just create your alert. Whenever price gets to that value, it will signal you or it will give you an alert for you to take your trade. Okay, the alert is here already. Look at the alert here. Whenever price gets to this line, it will give you an alert so that you can be able to utilize it the way you want. So that is an alert for you. Then we have the replay. Maybe you are using a premium a premium or a pro trading view, you understand, you are paying for it, then you can be able to use that tool, you understand, to back test your strategy, right? So another important thing now look at these candlesticks. You see many people doing different kind of color stuff and the rest, making their candles look very fancy and the rest. If you want to do that, you can simply go to the settings, and then where you see symbols, you click on symbols, then you see this body, borders, wick, like that. So the green candles are the bullish candle. Maybe you want your bullish candles to be blue, and then you want your bearish candles to be black, you make them black. Then the borders, you want your bullish candles to be the same blue. Then the borders, you still want your bearish candles to be black. And the wicks, you want your bullish candle to be somehow kind of arches kind of color. Then maybe you want your this to be like that too. Then you keep it like that. So you click OK thereafter, then it will be like that. Look at the chart now. You see how it is now. So that is that. Then we come to settings again. This in its time zone is very important. You should be aware of the time zone. You are using the New York time zone, or you are using it. Me personally, I use the London time zone because I'm trading from Nigeria. We are almost the same, just 1 hour difference. So I make use of the London time zone. Then canvas. This is where you can change the background of your design. Let me change the background now. Let me put it to like kind of this color. You see my background has been changed, right? That is background for you. That is background change for you. So for the meantime, I'll end here on this video. At least you understand what TradingView looks like, and you can make use of those things I've just showed you now. So please, thank you for watching this video. So guys, thank you for staying to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do well to like and subscribe to this channel to support this channel, and to be notified whenever I drop content like this. It's really good for you to know this thing before you start to trade, right? To make your trading better and smooth, right? So please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Peace out.